Hi, this is Dylan and welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Thursday, 30th of October. So we shall start off with the first pair, which is Euro against the US dollar. Well, just before we start, just take note that yesterday we had a FOMC statement, and that itself has strengthened the dollar and turned the whole sentiment to a bullish one. Basically, they have ended the asset purchase program as per planned, and they are working towards raising their interest rate. They have also mentioned that the labor market is strengthening. It is strong enough to withstand to withstand an end to the asset purchase program. Alright, so that's why dollar has strengthened over the night. So first, let us look at the euro against the US dollar. What we're seeing here is that just a very quick recap, there is a falling trend channel previously in the day chart, and zooming into the 4-hourly chart, price has broken below and it kept on gotten resisted at the bottom of the previous falling trend channel, and this time round with the FOMC statement where the price is right at the bottom of the falling trend channel itself, it finally fell and plunged. So what we are seeing right now is that price is being supported at the price of 1.2612, and if it's able to break below this level, the next level we shall look at is 1.2500. Alright, so today we basically have the German CPI. Well, let me just check. Yes, German prelim CPI. It's an all-day event, so with that we will definitely see some movement from the euro itself, probably during the evening. Next, we shall take a look at the dollar yen. Well, the dollar against the yen, as you can see that right before the FOMC statement, alright, price has been consolidating. Maybe I zoom into the 1-hourly chart. Right, you can see the price has been consolidating and still trying to stay at the bottom of the rising trend channel. And finally, when the news came, it jumped. It basically jumped from the bottom of the rising trend channel all the way up, breaking above the resistance level 108.35. And right now we are seeing it is moving upwards within the trend channel, along with the trend channel, and it's gonna hit the previous high of 110 very soon. Alright, so for those who have traded this pair and captured the news itself, the next level we shall look at is 110. Alright, and yeah, that's for the dollar against the yen. As for the pound against the dollar, well, it basically has rebounded off from the upside of the previous trend channel that it has broken above, and we are actually looking at a probable falling trend channel, and what we know is that the price is trying to work towards the towards the top of the probable trend channel, but because of the FOMC statement, the price fell, and it seems that this is not going to happen anymore. It is also noted that the price has been resisted by the 200 moving averages, so we can see a further downwards movement for the rest of the week. So we shall just take the previous low as the next support level. Alright, anyway, that is still somewhere above, or rather on the upside of the falling trend that it has broken previously. Next, we shall look at the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So similarly, well, price has broken below the falling trend channel previously, came up and went back into the rising trend channel, and went back into the rising trend channel, and it is about to, supposing it is appreciating, but again, right after FOMC statement, it plunges down, and with today's this morning's RBNZ rate statement, it has poised a bearish sentiment, in the sense that it has repeatedly say that the currency level is still unjustifiable and it is too high based on historical standards, and therefore a period of assessment is definitely needed to decide when is the next interest rate hike, which definitely not going to happen so soon. Especially their inflation is a little bit under their inflation target. Ever since they started to raise their interest rate 4 times this year, so the Kiwi is most likely to fall further when we compare it to the US dollar, which is look at the next interest rate hike. Alright, so price has broken below the rising trend channel for the second time, and therefore this time around I think that price may fall even further. So just wait for certain retracement. Maybe we can zoom into the smaller time frame, maybe the 1 hourly chart, wait for retracement, and probably with a Fibonacci retracement, you can look for the right level at 13.2% or 61.8% to go for a short again. Alright, and of course the very first level we shall look at is the previous low at 0.7700. Next, I just want to touch on 2 other currency pairs. This is the New Zealand against the yen. Well, look at the day 1 chart, right? The price at 86.14 is a strong support level previously, as you can see over here. Alright, so it came down, broke below, and it touches the final exhaustion level at 83.31. Came out again, got resisted at the Fibonacci retracement level of 50%, and the previous key support level at 86.16, or rather 86.14, and it starts to fall. Alright, so zooming to smaller time frame, we can see that, or rather we can wait for a retracement again, and then we can go for a short opportunity. But before that, just take note that there is a rising trend line over here. Well, this is the 1 hourly chart. So the possibility is that price may be able to appreciate again, and when it touches the resistance level at 86.14, that might be a good chance for you to short the currency pair. Alright, and finally we shall just take a look at the pound against the Australia dollar. Well, when the dollar strengthens, it means that the gold price usually will fall. Right, well, basically you can just look at the gold chart. You will see the price is falling, and with that itself, the Australia dollar being a commodity currency will definitely will more or less follow the price of the gold. So if gold were to fall, the Aussie is most likely to depreciate further, especially when Australia dollar is still historically high, and it does not match the price of the falling commodity prices. Alright, so if you're looking at pound against Australia dollar, we do see that price might start to rebound due to a weakening Australia dollar. Alright, so looking at the technical part itself, I have plotted a Fibonacci retracement over here, right from the bottom to the top, and we do see the price gotten supported again at the Fibonacci retracement level of 30.2%. Alright, first time is in 15th of October, which is about 2 weeks ago, and then I came down again and got supported again at the same level, right, the price of 1.8121. And we do see that there's a magic candle. Stochastic has suggested oversold confirmation is here already, and it's a little bit probably not so good entry price right now, but probably what we can do is to wait for a retracement to go for a long again. Right, and of course the first level we can look at, but I do believe we can go all the way out to the previous high. Right, not an issue at the price of 1.8677. Right, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. I will see you again.